Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money with ClickBank without even using a website. It's going to be beginner free, friendly, easy. There's not going to be any cash that you're going to have to buy, any apps. So let's go ahead and get into it, alright? So I don't want to waste a lot of your guys' time. If you guys are new, real quick, if you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Also hit that bell to get more notifications whenever I upload a new video. We talk about affiliate marketing, different ways to make money online, passive income, online businesses, okay? I do get a lot of questions as far as how I can make money online without having crazy amount of money, a budget to start off. This is a perfect way that you could actually start for free. You can start promoting products, start for free, start understanding, getting into the game a little bit, knowing how the affiliate marketing program works, make some extra cash, and then that extra cash, start investing it into your education, your future and stuff. So let's go. Let's jump into the computer. I don't want to waste a lot of this time. This is going to be real good. It's going to benefit a lot of you guys from here. So let's go ahead and jump on here. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to find a affiliate link, right? A promotion that we're going to want to go, and we're going to go to ClickBank. All right, so we're going to go to ClickBank. If you guys haven't registered for ClickBank, this is a free website that you can actually sign up. Okay, I do have a video. I'll go ahead and post it up here on the card so you guys could see exactly how to go through it. I'm not going to go and show you how to sign up. It's pretty much simple. All right, just come up here on the top right hand corner and sign up for free. If you're from a different country or anything like that, they actually allow you to do either direct deposit or checks to be mailed to you when you start getting commissions. Okay, so on the left hand side here, you're going to want to come down to the marketplace. So right now we're going to be looking for an actual a good affiliate product to promote. Okay, that's actually one of the biggest things. So the big three that we can promote is health, wealth, and relationships, right? But for this video, for purposes that we're going to be talking about and stuff, we're going to be looking into, I'm going to be promoting dogs, okay, specifically like dog training, stuff like that, right? So I'm going to go up here and type in dog training, and it's going to give me all these actual products here that I could actually promote. Okay, now like I was saying on the other video that you saw up here on the card, I do talk about as far as picking which products are good, which ones are more able to be sold, or to make a commission off by, and we kind of go off by the gravity. Okay, so I'm actually going to sort this by the gravity. The higher the gravity, obviously the better it's going to be. So this one right here, Brian Training for Dogs, it has a gravity of, I just lost it, there it is, 144. So that's actually really good. Anything that's above 30 to 50, 30, I say 50 and above, means that there's a lot of affiliate marketers already selling that and actually getting results from that. So every time you make a sale from here, on average, you're going to make about $31. Okay, so this is Brian Dogs for Training. Let's go ahead and look into the website. When people click onto this actual website, this is going to be the actual page as soon as it starts loading up, how it's going to look like, what you're going to be getting, expecting, and stuff like that. So if it ever decides to load up, there it is. Okay, so we got Brian's Training Dogs, and of course this is actually his website, his company that he's going to talk about. This is pretty much what we're looking into, and like I said, do your research before you start picking products. You know, there are some good and bad products here on ClickBank, but as long as you know how to pick the good ones and the bad ones, you should be all set. So we're going to be promoting this one right here. Okay, so what you do is when we actually want to promote it, we're going to go here to promote. We're going to put in our ID when you actually set it up. You're going to put in it, and you're going to generate a hop link. A hop link is going to be this link right here, and whenever you post this link and people click on it and they buy from it, you're going to get a commission from this. Okay, so right here we're going to copy it, and now we're going to go ahead and set it aside. So now we actually got our good affiliate product. Okay, now we're going to go and create a TikTok account. Okay, so tiktok.com/ I'm just going to use mine. I'm not going to go ahead and create one. So, but TikTok. All right, so let's go here. So TikTok, if you guys don't know what TikTok is, this is pretty much the new platform for pretty much anything, a social platform that people could get on, and it actually is going crazy. This is the crazy organic reach that you guys are looking for. Okay, so I'm able to build up. I'm almost at 30,000 followers. I started this profile probably about 2 months ago. So you get crazy amount of traffic. This is where your traffic is going to come in. Okay, this is where we're going to be posting our affiliate links. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a TikTok account, very simple. Just on the top right hand corner, you're going to go ahead and log in, go to TikTok, log in, sign up through either an email, phone number, whatever you got to do, sign that up, and then create one. Okay, once we create one, now we have our affiliate link. and we have our TikTok account, our platform that we're going to be promoting stuff, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and start putting videos on here. So what we're going to be doing is, like I said, this is going to be all free. We're going to be going to pexels.com. This is a free website that allows you to get free videos and pictures that you can use for you, okay? So we are going to be talking about dogs, dog training. Let's go ahead and put in dog training and see what comes up. Dog training, and we want videos. So TikTok is a video thing. Top left hand corner, you can see that there's 3.9 thousand videos on this. So here now we're just going to be picking and choosing a couple videos on, you know, that kind of correlates to our links, okay? So let's just check out this one. So this one's been viewed 64,000 times, and like I said, everything here is pretty much free, so you pretty much pick one. Looks like my internet here is a little slow, and you kind of pick and choose which videos you want to go to. So whenever this thing wants to go, there we go. Okay, so this is for 19 seconds. Okay, now if you like the actual the dog training video, this is what you're gonna pick. Okay, so let's go for another one. I like Frenchies. I like the little bulldogs. The not Frenchies, the old bulldogs, old English bulldogs. Let's check this one out. So this is a 9-second video. So, you know, pretty nice. It's actually good quality. You got some good high definition quality here. So, you know what? That's actually pretty funny. I'm just going to use it just for right now for the purpose of this video. So I want to pick this video, right? I'm going to go ahead and just go down to free download. Okay. Now it's actually being downloaded down here. Once it opens up, I'll go ahead and be able to save it onto my computer. Like I said, everything here is for free. Save it onto my computer. Then I'm going to go ahead and upload it onto my TikTok. There we go. So I'm just going to put dog training video, and I'll just keep it on my desktop just so I could find it. Here. So from here on out, now we're just going to go ahead and actually upload it up to here. So for TikTok, okay, so there's actually a way for you to start going viral, to get more views, to get more people to go to your videos, and then also what you want them to do after that video, right? So obviously we're trying to promote affiliate links. You want them to go to your link after the video. So in the video, you could actually do some editing. What you can do is you can actually go to InShot.com, which is pretty much a free software where you can go ahead and edit your videos, okay? Here you can actually vet it, you can post, you can do whatever you want to do, just like on regular TikTok where you can write text and everything on the videos. So I recommend you doing that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in here and you're going to go ahead and upload your video that you just uploaded on the Old English Bulldog, and you're going to put in there, you know, on the back at the end of the actual video, you can say, you know, you want to give them a call to action. So do you want to train your dog? You want to learn how to train your dog? Click the link in my bio, right? And in your TikTok, you're going to have a link here, right? This is where you're going to go ahead and put your link at. So you're going to actually tell your people that come to your videos, hey, watch this video. Okay, cool. It's funny, dog training or whatever. If they correlate or if they have that same problem where they're trying to train their own dog, obviously they're going to go through the video. At the end, you're going to tell them, hey, you want to learn how to train your dog? Click the link on my video. This link is going to be where we got our hop link or the actual from the ClickBank, okay? See how it's kind of making sense? So you're going to get your video, you're going to actually go into InShot, upload it, edit it, you know, put in your text or whatever you want to tell them on there. And then when it's already already up to go, just go and upload it up here. So you're going to upload your video. I'm not going to really do this here. I'm just kind of showing you what to do, okay? And then, of course, the caption on cute dog need to be trained, right? Just something like that, right? To train. So, and then of course you want to throw in your hashtags. So hashtags are pretty much words that is going to tell TikTok on where to send this video. They're going to want to connect. They're going to want you to connect with other people that need to train their dogs, right? So like dog training. Let's see what comes up on there. There's 1.3 billion views on that. So obviously there is a need for dog training here, okay? So if you're new to TikTok or you don't have a lot of followers, 1.3 billion views, you're probably going to be competing a little bit like that. More than likely, you have like a 0 point whatever chance on your video not being shown. So you want to actually go down and see and go to like a lower view, right? So here's 2 million views, you know, just kind of pick and choose. And I do have another video on how to get that crazy organic traffic and how your videos can go viral, okay? Once again, I'll put another card up here just so you guys could understand how the TikTok algorithm works. It's not just throwing a couple hashtags and expecting stuff to work out. There is a way to get your videos to go viral, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna pick for this video, so dog training help, right? 784,000, okay? And you got your hashtags, dogs, you know, of course that's probably gonna be, yeah, 28 billion, okay? Dogs of TikTok. I'm just gonna add that just for this purpose of this video here. You're gonna upload it up, you're gonna have your cover and everything. Let's get this out of the way. Then of course you're gonna want that to go public. You're gonna allow people to comment, do it, stitch, whatever, and then after that you're gonna post it. Once you post it, it's gonna be on your TikTok and also your links, okay? Now, a thing about TikTok is more of an app for you to be using on your phone. There's not a lot that you can do on the computer. I am on the computer right now, but you do a lot more editing and everything on your phone. So you get on your phone, download your TikTok onto your phone and everything. This is where you're going to be able to edit what links you're going to want to put on there, your descriptions, all your videos, and all that stuff, okay? So this is a quick and easy way for you to start making some quick cash through affiliate marketing. This is what affiliate marketing is. You have a product, okay? We have a product right here, a promotion that we're promoting, and we're actually putting it on our website, on our free website, where we're promoting it to the right people. These hashtags that you just put in here are going to tell TikTok, hey, send me the people that like dogs, are trying to train their dogs, are looking for solutions. That are looking for solutions. I have a solution to the problem on this. So if you could kind of see how this all makes sense, okay? Now, I say that this is actually a short-term game, okay, for affiliate marketing. If you want to actually be in the long-term game where you want a long, sustainable business, there is a couple more steps in between to do this. For example, collecting emails, okay? Now, why collecting emails, okay? Let's say, for example, TikTok, Facebook, all social medias, for whatever reason, actually went out, got deleted, and they don't work by tomorrow, right? If that happens, how are you going to get yourself out there, right? How is your business going to be sustainable, right? No, because you don't have anything to work with. You're going to have to start from zero. Now, if you started collecting emails and you started growing your email list, you still have connection to those people and can still send them links, right? Products, stuff that they could actually buy. That's actually playing the long-term game, right? So guys, so the truth of the matter is, if you guys want to start a long, profitable, successful online business that's going to bring you income and money for years to come, you want to play the long game, okay? And as I was saying before, the long game is going to be you adding an email autoresponder, adding software, using software to create your sales funnel, right? So that's in order for you to stay sustainable, right? So this right here is what I'm showing you in this video is going to be a quick and easy way to make money free, right? By using little to no cash, okay? You get free, you can sign up to ClickBank for free. You get free products, free links. You can use TikTok, which is a crazy organic app right now that goes viral. And why is it going viral? Because TikTok wants to get out there. So they're putting a lot of videos going viral and it's actually helping. So you're going to get a lot of eyeballs on your links, on your products, on your videos, okay? Now, one thing that I actually did forget, and we're going to go ahead and step back for a little bit. When we get our link, okay? We get our link from ClickBank. This is our link. It looks kind of long, looks ugly, right? We don't want that. We want to shorten it up, make it a little bit more cleaner. You're going to copy that and you're going to go to bit.ly, B-I-T-L-I, bit.ly.com. And I already have an account here. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually shorten up the links, okay? So you're actually going to put in your link here and then you're going to actually add in however you want to so you can memorize it, right? So I'm just going to put in Brian Dog Training, okay? So it's been actually edited. It's been good. So it is right here, Brian Dog Training, okay? Right here. This is what we're going to copy, and this is how it's going to look for. It looks a little bit cleaner, okay? And it's going to be the same link, okay? Still going to be your personalized link. It looks cleaner. That's what you're going to put on your actual TikTok. So as I was saying, this is actually an easy, awesome way to do it, okay? This is how you can start making that money. And if you continue to post, stay consistent, post your 3 to 5 videos a day, TikTok's going to recognize that. It's going to know, hey, this guy's for reals. We're going to start pushing more videos, more content. More people are going to be watching it. Sooner or later, you're going to be making sales. Okay. So as I was saying, if you do want to play the long game, you do want to become an affiliate marketer, where you want to learn all the stuff that I have learned, there's going to be a link down in the description there. The first one there, it's going to show you everything, how to create a full-time income off this, where you're going to learn, you're going to go ahead and invest, and you're going to apply. You're going to learn, apply, and then teach. Okay. So other than that, if you guys have any other questions, if you guys got confused or something like that, please drop a comment down in the comments here. I reply to all of them. Okay, reach out. Please like this video. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll be giving you more ideas, more info, and more videos to come on how to make 2021 better than 2020. So